So what is happening right now with price action of Bitcoin and market in general? Because we are aware the situation between Russia and Ukraine is getting out of hand, and who is paying the price? We guys, we are paying the price for it. And you can see not just only the crypto market, also the major indices are getting hit hard. S&P 500 is down 1.84%. Dow Jones is down 1.38%. But if you look at the crypto market, we are being punished even harder. Bitcoin is down 5.65%. Ethereum is down 6.58%. Solana is down 7%. So you can see all major indices and also crypto markets are tumbling. But the question here is, where are we personally heading next? Because if you are aware, yesterday I showed you so many different charts that was showing us a false flag. Even though the bulls might look stronger for the medium short term, but the overall picture of Bitcoin or the market was still weak, and I showed you with so many different examples. So guys, for that I want at least 2,000 likes into this video. So now starting again here in a daily time frame, we are aware, according to this first one example, bump and run reversal top. According to the bump and run reversal top, the first target has been reached, but the second target, the length of this second target was still open, which is also indicating that, hey, the price of Bitcoin has not ended the correction. I mean, according to the bump and run reversal top, you can see the lower target around 33,000 is where we might be heading. And beside this bump and run reversal top, another bearish scenario was being also placed. I mean, this ascending broadening wedge. According to the ascending broadening wedge, right, most of the time the price objective is from where it started. So that's why this 33,000 is going to still remain one of the most important price target for us. And beside that, right, beside that, if we would calculate the price target as shown in an example from this ascending broadening wedge from the bottom till the top area, then you can see very clearly, guys, we could be getting approach around this 30,000 price range here to the downside. So that's why I said to you yesterday, please be careful. We could be seeing temporary relief rally, which we saw yesterday, right? And again, a pullback here to the downside. Beside this example, I also showed you this one here, where in a bigger picture, we knew that this bigger bump and run reversal top is still open, the target here to the downside, because according to the bump and run reversal target, first target got reached, which was around 35,000, but the second target was still open, right, which is still sitting around 31,000. But what beside this price movement was showing us the weakness? The indicators here to the downside. Because if you look at MACD is still a bearish cross, RSI line is below 50 level, and the T3CCI in a negative territory, which was also flashing. The trend could be bullish in the medium short term, right? But if you look at the overall structure, this is a clear sign of weakness. And that's why, guys, that's why yesterday when the price of Bitcoin started this new move here to the upside, this is what happened. I mean, a bullish breakout and again a massive movement here to the downside. So what to expect next? Because if we look at the price structure in a bit different way, you can see here. So before switching into other chart, to all the traders watching this video right now, I have a giveaway around $10,000 at the end of the month to anyone who sign up using my ref link here. Either it's a Bybit or Femex, and deposit at least $300 worth of crypto. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT. If you do that, then at the end of the month, I am going to choose maybe 5 random winner and provide them with $2,000 each, or a 2 random winner, one from Femex, one from Bybit, right, and provide them $5,000 each. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, the link is also provided in the description down below. So now let's switch the chart. So in a 4-hour time frame, if you look at the price movement here, guys, you can see very clearly this here was a right angle broadening wedge, and this right angle broadening wedge, upper line was an extremely important line of resistance, lower line was a line of support, right? So yesterday when the price of Bitcoin showed this bullish movement, where did the bullish movement ended? Exactly, guys, exactly after reaching the previous temporary support line, the same line which previously acted as a support acted as a resistance here. again and also yesterday, because you can see exactly when we came across the previous temporary baseline, we got a rejection, and after that you can see what happened with price action of Bitcoin. So now since we are hovering around this 35,000 range, what I am actually expecting, if we do see any sort of a relief rally, which is possible because around this 35,000 you can see we do have some support lying around for Bitcoin, right? Please still be careful. Even if the market is again showing this movement around 37, 38,000, be careful because the lower price target around 31,000 is still open, not just only because of this bump and run reversal, but also from this ascending broadening wedge and another smaller bump and run reversal pattern. So now beside this example, what should also be monitored very, very closely? This one indicator, which is known as central pivot range, because according to the central pivot range indicator, if you look at this in a daily time frame, we know these CPI lines are very, very important and also considered as a leading indicator which provides us with information beforehand, because the price of Bitcoin, when we were above the CPI line, I showed you that this monthly elrond line is where we might be getting gravitated. We almost came around the elrond line, but failing to touch the elrond line is a sign of weakness, and after that we got this retracement, and now you can see we are clearly below the CPI line. So according to the CPI indicator, what is the sign when the price fails to touch the elrond line and also hold the support from the CPI line? In that case, guys, in most of the scenario, right, we have seen a retracement where the price of Bitcoin has also got gravitated towards the monthly S1 line, and this monthly S1 line is sitting around 31,500, 31,600 area. So there you go, guys. According to the CPR, this lower target here is open. According to this bump and run reversal top, right, this price target around 31,000, which is the target 2, is also open. And now you can see from this ascending broadening wedge, the lower price target here is still open. So that's why, guys, that's why please be careful and do not over leverage yourself at this current stage. So these are some of the important charts that I wanted to share with you in today's quick video. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and if you are watching this for the first time, then hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.